So as you can see, it's a pretty bad noise coming from the engine of my Honda. So we're going to figure out what's wrong.
So I'm going to start this video off by apologizing in advance. As I'll say in the video, my battery was running out and I couldn't really get the detail I wanted, and I kind of was just running through things and telling you what I was doing, and the camera was just kind of everywhere. And I also lost some footage because my camera was giving me issues, and in the end of the day I'm not super happy with this end result, but I decided to post it anyway because it's still instructive and it's going to set the stage for the next video. So sorry in advance.
So there's a bolt that goes through here with a nut on that side. Take that off, and there's a little bracket that bolts into here with an adjusting wing nut. Take both of those off, and then down here, see on that little tab right there, there's another nut in a bolt, and the bolt goes through the other side that you take off, and then you can move the power steering pump out of the way. And now we can get to the alternator. And again, sorry, I'm not going to be able to go through the detail, but I'll bring it back like this. Alright, so to remove the alternator belt, if you go under here, let me see if I can. So if you go underneath, you have to go underneath for this. See that bracket right there with that long bolt sticking out? Loosen that bolt. That will let the alternator swing. And then you go up top. You have to loosen this through bolt going through the top. You see that bolt right there? So you loosen that bolt, you loosen the bolt on the bottom, then you loosen that wing nut, the alternator pushes forward, and you can take the belt off. So let's see if there's a sound still. Alright. Where are my keys? Don't know where my keys are. Here we go, found them. Alright, so first I'm going to spin the AC pulley down here, and that spins. There's no roughness, so let's spin this one. Hold on. Ooh! You hear that? Hold on, let me do it. It's hard to do it fast in this cramped space, but you can hear the grinding. Okay, so this is a pretty unconventional method. So what I did is I had a link belt upstairs on my lathe, and I took it down and I just put it around these two pulleys. It's not super tight, but it'll help me determine if it's this pulley or the alternator pulley, because I'm pretty sure it's the alternator, because a lot of times it happens with alternators, but I just want to make sure. It's not super tight, and that's why I picked this one, because this pulley doesn't have any load when the AC isn't on. So it should spin pretty freely just from the friction here, if it's okay. And if it spins and doesn't make any noise, then I know it's the alternator. Let me open the garage so I don't kill myself. Spinning? Oh yeah, she's spinning. So, I hope you can see that on camera. The light's a little weird. Alright, so I'm going to turn it off. So, now I know that it's the alternator. So I'm going to drive this home. You know, noisy alternator never killed or hurt anything. I think it'll be fine for the time being until I can get another alternator. So, thanks for watching. Probably in the next video, we're going to be replacing the alternator in this car. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.